Hello, lovely viewer. I hope this video finds you in a well and helps you out of one if you happen to be in one. Um, this is a bit of a different kind of video. This is more of a sort of public service announcement than anything else. Because, well, if you're like me, you're starting to get a bit frustrated and tired of not being able to do anything about this SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus crisis that's ongoing. So I've looked around about little things one can do, and I found one little thing one can do. And it's about helping with simulations of the proteins in the virus, basically. So, it's not a difficult thing, so it's nothing technical. You download a software and share some of your hardware, basically. So you share some CPU power and some GPU power if you want to aid in these simulations, which is nice. So you're helping, and it's not really costing you anything. So the only negative thing about this is it will up your power bill slightly, depending on how hard you run your computer or computers, I suppose. So I'm running my work computer on this 100% now over the weekend, is my plan. And I'm also running some on this computer with both my CPU and my GPU. And this is neat. So of course, when I saw this, I thought of this channel because gamers tend to have relatively powerful computers with relatively powerful graphics cards, so we can really help in this, was my thought. But anyone can help, you don't need a powerful computer. I had an idea to run it on my Raspberry Pi, but that's too weak apparently. The Raspberry Pi 3 is too weak anyway. But yeah, so what you need to do to get involved in this sounds like a scam video, it's not, I promise. I'll show you, yeah? So we have this thing called foldingathome.org, which is, well, folding for protein folding. So this is quite a big project. So it's basically building a big parallel computer cluster out of all the users of this. So as you see, they're trying to reach 1 million. So you can use the hashtag I am one in a million if you install this. Anyway, I've downloaded this. You can also focus on COVID-19 for now, which is neat. So I've downloaded this and set it up to run. So this is how it looks on my computer now. I have created a team as well called PhysicsGamers, which has the number 264484 if you want to join that, which is nice. I don't know, there's no real benefit to having a team, I suppose, other than that it's fun. So you sort of collate your results and then you see what the whole team has done, which is nice. So anyway, I'm running this right now on both 7 of my CPU cores and on my GPU, which is neat. So these are the projects. I'm running for 2 different projects. You can click this to get some more information about what's going on, which is nice. So here we can look at what my CPU is doing right now. So it's project 16418 and the cause is COVID-19. So it's studying the non-structural protein 16 in complex with it is okay, anyway, activator. So it's involved in mRNA capping, so it's basically protecting the RNA of the coronavirus, which is nice. So this helps by sort of seeing how these proteins behave in conjunction with our immune system, and as such drugs can be tailored to work better and so on, is the idea. And it's nice. You can also press this viewer button to see the protein you're working on. This takes a little while to load because I'm working my computer very hard right now. But soon, I'm sure it will appear. There we go. Look at this. Big old protein. You can spin it around and zoom it in and stuff and see what's going on. This is really cool. But yeah, the point is, this is really helping. This is another coronavirus project. One of many. So yeah, this is really helping in a small way. This is something you can do to help fight the coronavirus, which I find very appealing, and I wanted to let more people know about this, and hence this video basically. Now this folding at home is not just for coronavirus. You can also oh yeah, here we go. You can select your cause preference. I did put it to COVID-19 for now because that's the pressing issue in my life, but these people also work with Alzheimer's, with cancer, different cancers, and Huntington's disease, Parkinson's. So it's a really neat thing to do. If you have some CPU time over, just think about it, yeah? Because that's what I did. Uh, but again, no demands, no anything. I don't expect you to join my team, but it would be fun if we can gather a group of people into the team. But you can create your own team as well. I'm just trying to spread the word about this, so we can help in a small way to defeat this virus. I mean, we're all helping already by staying indoors and washing our dang hands, which is good. It's something. But I'm the kind of person who needs to do more if possible, I suppose. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this here, but this is nice. Feel free to check this out. I put a link in the description of this video, and also some info about my team number and so on. And if you have any questions about this, if you need help getting it going, please write a comment. I'll reply and help you as much as I can. And yeah, I just want to spread the word and get this going on a larger scale, yeah? Okay. I hope you also find this interesting. So I didn't know about this until a few days ago, which is kind of weird. Shows I'm hanging around on the wrong parts of the internet, I guess. But yeah, there are no negative things apart from your power bill going up slightly, but again, that's just how hard you run your computer or computers. So you can tailor it, play around with it, give as little or as much as you want. You see, I can slide this slider to light if I prefer, to lower my load for the computer, but I might as well run it for full for now. Anyway, I will see you around next time. I'll put all the information down in the description so you can check this out, see if it's for you. If it's not, that's fine. This is just for information, yeah? And I'll see you around in a more regular video next time, yeah? Bye!